What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, dollar CAD on the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade dollar CAD. Now, first of all, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now, dollar CAD, if you look at the overall bigger picture monthly perspective, we see that this is a long-term bullish market. From here, it created this bullish channel on the monthly perspective. From this channel, we have seen that dollar CAD has aggressively broken to the upside. This channel has been broken. This is the resistance on the monthly perspective, resistance on the monthly perspective. Now, after this kind of breakout, with this back-to-back 2 monthly candle, what do we see the dollar CAD now coming back down? Now what we can expect at this point is to test this resistance here, and also support here, to test as resistance. As after breakout of this kind of channel, you can expect the price to come back and test this previous resistance as support. That means that on the lower time frame we can expect dollar CAD to come back down. At the same time, we see that this is the impulse on the monthly time frame in dollar CAD. If we take our Fibonacci to see the Fibonacci retracement level for this move, what we see that exactly where there is the previous support turning resistance is where the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is the golden ratio. So we can expect now dollar CAD to come back down to complete this Fibonacci retracement, as well as to test the previous resistance as a support. Now let's look at the weekly time frame to see what kind of price action it is creating. Now on the weekly perspective, you see that the price already has created a reversal pattern here on the weekly double top formation, nice looking. After the previous week's strong bearish candle, it's a full body red. You can see that full body red means a huge volume in that candle. This week the price, as expected, went to this previous resistance zone, which was the support, previously turned resistance, and we have seen even a false breakout of this level, penetrated this level, and then now we see that dollar CAD is started to melt to the downside. Now this is the weekly monthly resistance level that we are expecting to be tested as support. That means that we have a big move for dollar CAD to the downside on the lower time frame to take in this direction. That means that we can find a significant trading opportunity. Now let's look at the daily time frame to see what kind of price action we have. Now on the daily perspective, we see the textbook bearish candle, bearish price action. You can see that first of all there is a nice looking head and shoulder has broken to the downside with this green candle. This is what exactly I expected in my weekly forex forecast. You have seen that the price did exactly as it is, tested this liquidity zone, previous resistance, this previous resistance zone as a resistance, and we have seen a rejection. Yesterday, the previous day's candle, we have seen as expected created a lower high with that level, and that has closed as a bearish candle. Now today, as soon as market open, we have seen after a little retracement, CAD dollar CAD is dropping. Now where we can expect a potential shorting setup on USD CAD. First of all, we need to see a couple of things aligning. First of all, this is the daily 20 period moving average. As you can see, there is a high probability that during the news or earlier today, the price might test this level. Why? Because there is a neckline on the daily time frame. You can see this is the doji, which is the neckline of this reversal pattern, and also this is the daily 20 EMA, which is still has not been tested properly. Now let's look at on the 4 hour time frame how we can find a potential trading opportunity. What I think that, as you can see, there is a bearish engulfer in this zone after a nice looking drop on the 4 hour time frame, creating a textbook double top formation. The price has broken down. Now when you see a double top, in most cases you can expect the price to go ahead and test this previous neckline support zone as resistance to create a perfect price action pattern. So with that being said, now what we are expecting USD CAD to have a spike to the upside probably to this level in this zone during probably during the news announcement. We could see that USD CAD has gone up to test this level as a resistance, and whenever we see either in this level or probably creating a doji in this level, bearish price action according to the rules of our strategies will consider shorting dollar CAD with a high probability trade setup with our students to take this big move to the downside. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section what you think, which way dollar CAD is going to move. That will help others to understand more about this instrument. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.